Hey guys, so I'm going to take you guys through some of my hair care routine. It's been a few days since I've shampooed my hair, and it's been about a week since I've purple shampooed my hair, and I wanted to show you guys the process. So what I usually do is wet the hair. Not to drench it or anything, but just to kind of get it around. And I don't want it to be too wet. And then I just get a wide tooth comb and just wipe it around like so. So the purple shampoo that I really like is actually from a brand called NOOK, and it's a service color, no yellow shampoo, and I like it because it's pretty gentle on the hair. It has grapeseed oil, goji water, organic and eco certified. But since I went blonde, this is all I've been using, about like once or twice a week, and the violet hue is like about like that. And like I said, it's really good to wear gloves. These are clean gloves when doing this, if possible. It comes out like that. Basically, for those that are not familiar, purple shampoo basically takes out all the yellow in your blonde hair. So you come out with a much less yellow tone. It's kind of important, make sure you get the sideburns as well. That's an area that I do forget sometimes. And I like to leave it on for about 15 minutes. Just because I like that color payoff. So I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and then I'm just gonna pop into the shower and wash it off. Hey guys, so I am out of the shower and this is kind of like what the hair looks. As you can see, it almost looks violet at the edges, and actually it looks a lot darker on the roots. And I went in after rinsing it off with the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And this, out of the entire line, I think it is a must-have when you pretty much like chemically treat your hair. It really makes a big difference in terms of making the hair manageable. And I'm just gonna towel dry it. I try to wash my hair like 2 times a week if possible, but sometimes if it's a lot, I do it 4 times a week with chemically treated hair, which is cutting down a lot because I used to wash my hair with shampoo almost every day. But yeah, this is what it looks like right after. It almost looks violet. Okay guys, so once you've kind of towel dried your hair, I like to go in with the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil, and this apparently protects your hair from heat. So I like to apply like not this much, and try to just focus it on the ends of the hair and just distribute it out. I don't do this step like every time I style my hair, but sometimes when I have the time and the willpower, I will go in and do it. So look at that. My hair is looking almost platinum, slightly lilac. It's such a pretty color. It's so much nicer than before. It's so much less brassy. From far away, you would think that it's just kind of silver, but from close up, you guys can see the purple hues, right? Okay, in terms of styling, this is where I go in with the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother, and this is pretty much like a styling gel, but also a mask. And this is probably my 3rd favorite product out of the Olaplex line. My first is the conditioner. The second is the shampoo, and then it would be this guy. And this helps with flyaways, and it's like a styling cream, which is great. So let's take this much and just apply it to the hair. And just kind of like apply it where you want it. And this is the part where I part the hair. Yay, puns. Part it the way that you normally would, or like how you normally would style it. And I always like to do kind of like a 3/4 situation. So like around like that. Curl it maybe like this. And then sometimes if I have the time, I just like let it air dry, but I'm actually running late. So this is the part where you'll go in back with the hair dryer and style it again. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is like the final situation after I do the purple shampoo. This is the color on the side. Let's see. Doing all of those steps is so worth it because my hair feels so silky and so soft. Like healthier than it did, or like softer. It's probably not that healthy, but softer than it did even before dyeing it.